If you've ever wanted to unlock Firefox advanced settings, then this video is going to show you exactly how to access the About or Config menu in Firefox, step by step. This hidden configuration area is where you can search for powerful browser preferences, change advanced settings, and customize Firefox beyond the normal options menu. Just remember, these settings are advanced, so you should only change something if you know what it does. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder, depending on your device. Once Firefox is open, you'll see the main browser window and the address bar at the top. That's where we need to go next. Now click inside the address bar at the top of the browser. This is the box where you normally type website addresses or search terms. Once your cursor is active there, you're ready for the special Firefox command. Type about.config into the address bar, then press enter on your keyboard. Make sure you type it exactly as shown, with the colon in the middle. After you press enter, Firefox will take you to the advanced preferences page instead of a normal website. The first time you open this page, Firefox will show you a warning message. This warning explains that changing advanced preferences can affect browser performance or security. That's completely normal. Firefox is just making sure you understand that these settings are powerful and should be used carefully. If you're comfortable continuing, click Accept the risk and continue. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the About.config menu. At the top of the page, you'll see a search preference name box. This search field is very important because it lets you find specific settings quickly without scrolling through a long list of preferences. To search for a setting, click in the search box and type the name of the preference you want to change. For example, you might type JavaScript enabled browser.tabs Firefox view or browser.startup homepage. As soon as you type, Firefox will instantly filter the results and show matching preferences below. Now let's talk about how to modify a preference. The way you edit it depends on the type of setting you're looking at. If the preference is a true or false option, you'll usually see a toggle button. Clicking toggle switches the value on or off immediately. If the preference is in a number, you can usually double-click it to enter a new value. Then type the number you want and confirm the change. For text-based preferences, click the edit button, update the value, and save it. In all cases, Firefox applies your changes right away, so there's no separate save button you need to press. That's why it's so important to be careful in About Config. A small change can have a big effect on how Firefox behaves. If you're testing something, change one setting at a time so you can always tell what caused the difference. And that's it. You now know how to access the About Config menu in Firefox, search for preferences, and modify advanced settings when needed. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.